Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set custom notes password on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then on settings scroll down until you find the notes. Here it is. And then right here you can easily find the password. Just get into it, and right now you can select use custom password instead of use device passcode that is set by default. So I'm gonna hit add use custom password, and then you have to use your Face ID to get to that step. After that, here you have to create and set new password. Then at that text field you have to verify, so actually retype the same password as in the first field. And also right now there you can add the hint for that password. Once you finished with that, you can hit on done, and in that way you can set custom password for your notes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and notes tutorials playlists where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.